Hey guys, it's Janet, Strange RV Tours, the new haircut. Anyway, we're in Dade City, Florida at Grove Ridge RV Resort. And I'm going to show you around. Okay, so it's a beautiful day. It's not raining. Awesome. Okay, we're right on the highway at the entrance, Highway 98, Dade City. But this is a 55 plus resort, so I hit the mark. So and anyway, this is a beautiful day. But anyway, you can see there's a lot of full-timers here, and we did pay $20 a night, Passport America, full hookup. But very clean, very well kept. It's got a great clubhouse over here. The office is right here. Carl was wonderful. In fact, we're going to be coming back in a few weeks, just because it's Florida. It's hard to find places, actually. But here's the clubhouse right here. Just quick. But just, they have get-togethers. They've got poker. They got all kinds of events that, you know, scheduled. Even some performers now and again. So, and this is the only clubhouse, and this is the only laundry facility also. But they have 8 washers, 6 dryers. It's $1.50 to wash or dry. So, and look, play shuffleboard. They have a bocce ball. They said something about a bowling tournament. There's a billiards room down here, it looks like. And the pool is warm. There's no hot tub, but I actually did touch the water, and it's comfortable. I'm not sure how warm it is, but I mean, I saw a bunch of people in there the other day, and I said it's got to be heated. But and see, little picnic area over here. It's pretty cool. Can't believe it's so nice. We had rain for the last 2 days. I said, well, I'm not getting out in the rain. I'll film when it clears up, and now it's just gorgeous. Oh, there's a code. I don't have the code. Looks like there's some DVDs there. But anyway, it's the office. I'll take a drive around. It's really a really cool place. And now the kids are going back to school. I don't see as many kids. I saw some kids this weekend, but grandkids, I'm sure. But yeah, 55 and plus, and there's supposed to be 250 sites. But as you can see, there's full-time homes here. Okay, they do have a dump station, and There are a few sites along in that area, like one over here, a couple over here, maybe a couple over there, but we're right here up against the back fence, which is great because Max likes to run back there. It works good. But to take a walk and see what I mean? There's lots of full-timers, and the people pulled in just a little bit ago. They said they come back here every year. They really like it here. And see, these are all sites, and there's a whole section over here that's all RVs, but you can see that everything's really nice, kept up. There is one downfall here. They have no Wi-Fi. They used to, but as of like, a couple weeks ago, I guess, they said somebody had bought the property or changed hands or something, and now you're on your own. You gotta purchase cable and internet, just to let you know. But see, it goes on forever, and we see a lot of people walking their dogs. Max and I actually took a little run, but yeah, I think there's a like bocce ball over here. They have events all scheduled every day almost. Poker and I don't know, I think bingo and I don't know, just things. The whole calendar. And there we go. Yeah. Oh, I see little birdies. They had some construction here. Yeah. Wow. I haven't seen anybody using this. I saw some people playing shuffleboard and in the pool doing like water aerobics. Alright guys. This is Dade City, Florida, and this was a great place to stay. Really well kept. Could be 55 and older though, but no kids running around. So lots of dogs, a lot of people walking, a lot of golf carts, a lot of full-timers here. And I don't know, Carl at the office is great. We can come back in a couple weeks, no problem. And I appreciate it. So you guys like the video, hit like. If you like what we do, subscribe. And hit the little bell for notifications, and share if you could, please. All right, y'all. Later. Bye.